You know that idea that you've been sitting on for weeks, months, maybe even years? What if I told you that the only thing standing between that idea and real business isn't a logo, isn't a website or a fancy funnel? It's validation. So in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps that I use with my private clients to validate your business idea, test real demand, not just fake survey interest, and get people to pay you even before you build it. Let's dive into it. Part 1. Why most businesses' ideas fail. Most business ideas don't fail because of a bad logo or no website. They fail because no one wanted them badly enough to pay for. That's why we validate the ideas with action, not just opinions. So how do you stop overthinking and start taking action? You run a 5-step validation process. Step 1. Find 10 people with the problem that you are trying to solve with your service. Not people who are just curious, but people who really have that pain or problem. Go into Facebook groups, Reddit, LinkedIn, even build your own network. If you can't find 10 people, your niche might be too narrow or the pain isn't as strong yet. Step 2. Ask what they've already tried. This is the sniff test. If they haven't tried anything, they probably don't care enough yet. But if they've Googled, downloaded free stuff, or even paid someone to help them solve it and it still didn't work, that's a hot lead. This tells you how hungry they are. Step 3. Ask them what this problem is costing them. How much money, time, or mental energy is this sucking up? Are they missing any opportunities? Are they losing confidence? Are they losing money that they potentially could have earned? Are they wasting hours? People pay to make pain go away. If they feel that cost of the problem, you've got some leverage. If they don't, they won't value your solution. Step 4. Pitch your solution clearly and concisely. The bad way to pitch it is something along those lines. I want to help people be more productive. A much better way is I'll build an 8-week system to save you 10 hours per week with templates and fortnightly support. This was my initial offer, and it still is for those who come to me for time management and joyful productivity. Clarity wins. Now here is how to approach 2 business types. For service-based businesses, I suggest you go with this message. I'm running a pilot program, 10 spots, half the price, 10x the value, because I want you to win. And I want real feedback to make this the best thing on the market. Then address what they are thinking but not saying. I know you are wondering if this is too good to be true. I'd feel the same. That's why I'm transparent. I want this to work and I want you to have skin in a game too. Because free offers rarely get followed through. Then add, let's hop on a 30 minutes free call. No pressure, just clarity. And if it's a right fit for you and for me, we'll move forward. If not, you'll still walk away with value. On that call, you evaluate, are they the right fit? Do they really have the problem that you solve? Are they committed enough? Can you help them get the results? If yes, charge the price lower than competitors do. For example, if similar coaches charge 5K, you charge 2.5K and deliver like it's a 20K offer. Over deliver, get results, get testimonials, build momentum. There will be more videos about my approach to sales calls, so subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you not to miss my videos. For product-based businesses, I suggest you ask, if I build this, would you pay X number of dollars for it? Don't ask if they like it, ask if they'd pay for it. Remember, specific problem, specific solution, specific price. Specificity converts, generalities confuse. Step 5, ask them to pay now. Say, great, I'm building it. Pay X number of dollars today and you'll be one of my first clients. No excuses, no vague interest. If they won't pay now, they won't pay later. Probably they're not that interested in that particular solution. Part 3, the difference between interest and commitment. This is what some people do. They ask if someone likes the idea, hear yes, and assume it's a validated idea. Interest is free. Commitment costs money. Test with real money, not just surveys. If at least three people pay you up front, you've got a business idea. If 0 people pay, you probably still have a hobby, which can turn into business with the right framework, right mindset, and right strategies. Come to me for that. You don't need a logo, a fancy funnel, or a website. You need a proof that someone will pay you to remove the pain they currently have in life. with your service. Start with the conversation, validate fast, build smart. If you want my idea validation scripts, the ones I walked through in this video, download them by the link below in the description. And in the comments tell me, what problem are you thinking of solving? Let's test it together. See you in the next video where I'll show you how to start creating content that gets your ideal clients asking to work with you before you even pitch. With care, Anna.